Little tip of the day type of thing here. Take your wood glue, apply the wood glue, refill this bottle. I like to leave 3 spaces. Rub that in. You can see I left a spot here, in the middle, and on the other end. In those spaces, I'm going to apply my CA glue. Healthy dollop on all 3 spots. Then I'll take my hardwood edge banding I'm going to use. This case is white oak. Hit it with the activator. Always cut these pieces oversized so that you can trim them to fit and you don't have to stress. But then you hold it down for a couple seconds. The CA glue activates. Then you let it dry. That wood glue will dry on there. And done. Quick and easy hardwood edge banding.